Hi, and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today we are working on DIY decor using items you already have at home. This is basically part 2. The first one was all fall DIY decor. This is more of a dupe video where I try and recreate items I found online. This one, I really loved this Hello Fall sign. You can add it to a wreath or as a door hanger, whatever. But I wanted to show you how I recreate it with just using my camera and some florals and a jar that I already had on hand. So this is a super easy way to recreate like different signs and stuff that you see. Just take really cool pictures of items that you already have, styled in the way that you want, and print them out on your printer. I'm using the back of this Dollar Tree sign. This is that picture I just took. You can change the lighting, the mood. You can even do like a cartoon effect. You can do all sorts of things with the cameras and phones nowadays. So I just brightened it up a little bit and took a couple pictures. And then I am taking this sponge and some paint and painting the back of this Dollar Tree sign. You could leave it brown, whatever. That's what's awesome about recreating these things, because you can make them fit your own decor. You can use that blank photo just like it was, or you can create one that has the words Hello Fall or whatever you want on there. I like using this website Canva. This is not sponsored. I just love using it because it's super user friendly and it is free. So, and all you have to do is just upload your picture and add in the text that you want. There's all sorts of free fonts, and you can use different colors. You can, like you can with your camera, you can change the coloring of the photo before you print it. It's super easy. I ended up going with this and just tilting the words Hello Fall a little bit on an angle, and this is what it looked like when I printed it out. And I'm just going to cut it out. This is on regular just printer paper. And then taking a glue stick, and I'm going to glue it to the Dollar Tree sign. Oh, seriously, how easy is that? And it's super cheap. I have so many other ideas doing this kind of thing, so let me know if you're interested. I took a bunch of photos that I think were really pretty, and I wanted to use them in some DIYs coming up. So keep a lookout for that if you like this kind of thing. But I think this is super cute and, like I said, really easy. And it's like that one that was in the inspiration piece in the beginning, except I'm not adding it to a wreath, which you could totally do. I am just adding it to a tobacco basket because I love the texture behind it. You could add it to a frame like this. This is one that I made last year, which will make another appearance in the end of this video, so keep your eye out. For this next one, I am going to be using this that I made for another DIY. You could use a basket if you have one. You could use shutters, would be super cute. You could use frames. You'll see what I'm making here in a second. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to make that little wood sign that I had. This is from a towel holder that I made on my other channel. I'll link that above if you're interested. Super easy, you just glue them together, and that was scrap wood that I had. I am using these stencils. I got mine from, I can't remember if it was Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'm going to be using them in some upcoming videos as well. And then I'm just using some paint that I had on hand. And I loved this pattern. I know it's a little bit busy. Oh yeah, and a sponge. Now, the reason I'm using these boards is because originally I wanted to do the whole inside of one of our closets with this pattern, but my husband thought he wanted just like a basic kind of clean, bright color in our closet instead of, so much busy patterns going on. So I'm compromising here and just putting it on a little board here. And you'll see what I'm making. But originally, like I said, I wanted this all in our closet. I thought it would be really pretty. And I knew we needed a spot to hang our keys. And I don't like to hang them right inside the door because, I don't know, I learned a long time ago that you shouldn't do that in case somebody breaks in, because now they have your keys right there. So I thought they would be perfect in our coat closet that I just refinished. So I'm taking that stencil after I did the first half, and then I just taped it to the bottom, kind of blended you know, where the top and the bottom met. And I think it's so cool. I love the wood tone with that like light greenish color. And the pattern is really pretty, in my opinion, too. So then you're just going to need some of these little hooks. I got mine at our local hardware store a long time ago. And you're just going to screw them in because this is going to be where we hang our keys. And I've seen so many of these, and sometimes they're expensive, and I don't really understand why. I haven't seen any with this pattern, but, you know, I just wanted to recreate it and make it my own. And this is what it looks like all finished. I have it in our coat closet. I'm going to be doing a little bit more in this coat closet, so if you want to see what I do with that, head on over to my next channel. That should be up, I don't know, in the next couple of weeks. But these are the shelves that we just redid, and this video will actually be up on my other channel in the next day or so as well, if you want to see how we made those. And you could, you know, write the word keys on the top. You could add a little basket for, you know, stuff that you want to throw in there. I just think it's so cute, and you could easily make it your own. And if you didn't have scrap wood, you could go ahead and use some sort of like wall basket. Just attach the hooks to the basket and use it in the same way. You could also use those shutters that I showed you. Anything, a picture frame would look super cute. But I wanted to show you this because my cat thinks every time I put a basket on the floor that it's hers. What are you doing in there? For this last one, I love these window panes with the wreaths and stuff, but they're always so expensive. So I am using this one that I created last year for Christmas. Super easy. I'll link that video if you want to check it out. Sorry about the fan reflection. And then I'm just taking this wreath and attaching it just like the inspiration picture. Super easy, super inexpensive. If you don't have a wreath already made, Walmart has really, really pretty greenery picks, and they're usually less than $1. And you can get a whole big bunch and make a really thick wreath like this one. And I just thought it was super pretty with the mercury glass or mirrored look. So let me know what you guys think of this video. I know my last video you guys said you really, really liked the dupes, and the video before that where I did the fall decor that you only had to use things that you probably already had at home. I know you guys really like that. So let me know if you guys are still into these types of videos, and if you have any other ideas, of course, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you know I always love chatting with you in the comments, so stop in and say hi. Thanks so much for all your love and support. I'll see you next time. Bye!